G'day and welcome to another TallOrder training video. What we will be doing today is discuss how to log into TallOrder point of sale. First thing that you're going to do is you're going to open up the TallOrder application from your desktop. Your installation officer would have provided you with the icon and the relevant space of where to open the application. Then you will be first greeted by this screen over here. On the top left-hand corner, you'll be able to see you can enter the email address or mobile number that has been allocated to you by the installation officer as for the relevant tenant details. First thing we're going to do is we're going to type in the email address that you'll be using to log in and the password. Now, one very important thing to note. You'll see the sign in tick box is grayed out. The reason for this is once you have selected your device type, the sign in button will be able to be clicked. For now, it remains dormant. There are three different types of devices. Master is if you are using a single device or it is used as a server in your organization. An additional is a device that will be speaking to the master in order to receive information from. Keep in mind the master needs to be logged in and on in order for the additional to be signed in. The independent is when a device runs completely independent from the master and additionals. These are normally used for devices that is traveled and is used as mobile point of sales. So over here, we're going to go click on independent. If you want it to be able to log in automatically in future, you can tick on the remember me box. Then what will happen is it will automatically skip the screen for the beginning. The only time that you will be presented with the screen again is when you have lost connection and need to resync database. Right, what you're going to do is you're going to click on sign in. What it is going to do, it is just going to take you through the authenticating process. Now it will physically download the menu from your specific tenant and the menu structure. And then from here, it will give you the messages of saying syncing settings. This is 100% dependent on your internet speed as well as your machine specifications. This will determine how long these following steps take.